Okay, this is Team 7's video. As you can see, this is the raw data we started out with. And then first we did numerical testing. And we found that they were all linear, but we still ran two transformations on it, which they both didn't show enough to change or swap out the data. I'll run through the graphs here. I did forget to add in the lines on some of these histograms. And then we went and I'm not sure if we did box and whiskers next or not, but there's the transformation box and whiskers. Categorical testing was next. We split all the data along there, and as you can see, as you know, you first run your normality tests, and then just use male and female as example histograms, and then as their data came out, you could just go to the histogram, and then you saw that there was enough difference. For a different example, here would be the freshman, sophomore, junior, senior categories. As you can see, freshman, sophomore, and other failed, so we only had to move on with junior, senior, and post-bac. It looks like I added other back in there, but this is the histogram for it. Or box and whiskers, sorry about that. And then, as you can see, we run the ANOVAs on them. And then, because P was greater than alpha and this one greater than 0.05, we didn't have to do any t-tests. Just show an example of some t-tests. See, it looks like we had to do a bunch on this one. This is GPA. And we ran our ANOVA and then ran the t-tests on all of them, which came out to reject the HO on 2 of them, or 3 of them, it looks like. And then after we were able to do all that, the categorical testing, I had to figure out which one was going to be my low, so I ran the two lowest against each other, which was female and 3.5 GPA. I don't know why that graph isn't showing up right now, but that was the box and whiskers, and then the ANOVA, and the mean was what made the difference. And then we took it over to Tableau, which we actually created just a tab for Tableau, and it had all the data in it. And the first thing I did was make a histogram to show the height, because the height was one of the highest correlated with the data, but it wasn't able to be used, and so I made this histogram to show that it was bimodal and show why we couldn't use it. And the next we did box and whiskers to show the weight by GPA or by gender, and then GPA. And then we did scatter plots to show the correlation, and then line charts. This is it all put together in the dashboard with our text added into it. And then from there we made our story, which is just explaining the histogram, explaining the box charts, box plots, our gender box plot, scatter charts, and the line graphs. And you can also see here, it'll load for me, which interactive features we decided to choose. You can take out, remove some data, put some data back in. See what it did with the box plot. I can't really remember. You can just take some boxes out, see what happens with them out, put them back in, and stuff like that. Thank you.